life hits a little different when my guy Garment Creations comes in today. At the same time that some more of my home girl Cassandra at Blanks Galore comes in. You know, I think I have so much sublimation paper, it's ridiculous. I mean, it's just a little bit. This is definitely over 1,000 sheets with everything I have. But I have a box. Well, there's so much stuff over there. I have so much sublimation paper, it's ridiculous. Now, I wasn't gonna do a video on this. I didn't think I needed to, but you know what? I do. You know, let's turn this into a YouTube video right now. So, here's the topic: supporting small business. Yo, what's up? Thank you for catching another one. I wasn't even gonna do a video on this, but I felt like, you know what? I need to tell you guys how proud I am of the people that I know I'm in the circle with. This topic is gonna be sublimation paper, obviously. Now, I have been asked a couple times, I swear to God, to just name my favorite paper. I can't. I cannot do that. Let me tell you why. I rock with all of them. I have more of a personal relationship with a couple of them than I do others, but I rock with all of them. So the choice will have to be yours as to which sublimation paper you think is the best. I will tell you which ones I think are the best. No particular order. Cassandra, BG paper, Blanks Galore. E from Garment Creations, I just got his. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm excited to try his paper. Craft and Besties, they go hard too. I have tons of them. My favorite one thus far has been, it's from J&J Packing. I'm not saying it's my favorite anymore though. Of course, Asub. Then you got T, whatever. I can't think of the name right now. They're all great. But this video really, I wanted to make to just say congratulations. Congratulations to my friends. Congratulations to your small businesses. So when you see my friends, when you see anybody who prints shirts, who's selling blanks, who is selling paper, whatever it is, support that small business. It goes a long way. There's no better feeling than being an entrepreneur. Trust me. But in order to be an entrepreneur, we need your help. You out there, you who supports us, who watches our channels, who likes, subscribes, comments, shares, who purchases our product. That's what helps us continue to grow. We can't do it without you guys, and we can't do it without each other. So let's head over to the table. Let's open up these packages and see what they look like. All right, my table right now, as you saw earlier, you know, the sublimation papers that I have out, because I still have boxes of them. Asub, you guys know about Asub, I'm sure. This one, this J&J packaging has been my #1 go-to sublimation paper for a year straight. It's never failed me. It looks amazing. I'm not saying it's my favorite paper today though, but that is a great go-to. Here we have Craft and Besties. I got a couple. They sent me some samples, and then I ended up getting a couple of their packages. My guys Ease from Garment Creations came in today. We're gonna open up Ease. This is for mugs and stuff. And then of course you saw my Blanks Galore paper, my BG paper. But let's open a couple of them up, see what their packaging looks like. All right, guys, it might be a little noisy in here because my AC is going because it's hot up here. Hot, hot, hot. So let's open up Ease. I'm excited. I'm excited for E, man. Connecting with this guy has been another blessing, man. This guy goes so hard in the t-shirt business, man. Such a knowledgeable guy. What? Oh my gosh. I'll drop his link too. Hold up. Well, who was that pretty face? Who was that pretty face? That's E. That's E from Garment Creations. So you guys gotta check him out. So, you know, I stick all these on my older heat press. That's a whole nother story, but we're gonna stick this somewhere. So here we go, guys. You know, when I buy from you, I make sure I buy quite a few to make sure I always support. Oh, wait, hold up. What? Heat Press University? All right, E. All right, I see you, baby. I might put that on a hat or something. All right, so here is that GC sub paper. See that, right? So I got a couple rows, some 8.5 by 11s. Got some 11 by 17s. I think I got 2 of each, right? There we go. Let's take a peek at that. So that's my guy's packaging right there. GC paper, man. E from Garment Creations. I'm excited. I'm excited for him. I'm excited that he's gotten his paper off the ground. And so, like I said, we're going to come back. We're going to review that. We're going to press something with it. But GC Sub, I'll drop a link to that here as well. Let's go on to the next one. Here we go. The wonderful people over at Crafting Besties paper. This was the sample stuff they sent me, right? This was that original sample stuff right here. Their packaging looks like. These are the samples, but you know we got that good stuff. Not for resale. If you get samples, don't be trying to sell this paper off or any paper. Let's open up the bigger package. Wonderful folks over at Crafting Besties. Let's see. All right. What? Quit playing. What? These gifts are something else. So this is what they put in there for you, boy. I didn't know what it was at first. This is their little logo. Oh, I'm with that. I'm rocking that. So let's see what we got here. So I'll leave their link, but this is Already Apparel, right? Already Apparel LLC. Already I can tell you it's packaged different, but this is beautiful, right? So can you see that? Let's get a better look. So there's this boxed, right? I like that. That's nice. Look at that. So Crafting Besties paper. All right, you guys saw these. I'm sure I've shown these before, but these are Blanks Galores. Very, very well packaged. Also beautiful. Those colors they just pop to me because they're also kind of my favorite colors as well. So you got that, but you know what? Let's just crack the new ones open that came in today. Let's see. All right, I think these might be bigger. Let's see what we got here. We got some more. Just a couple more to add on. It's another, stack of 8.5 by 11s. But, I also had to get the 11 by 17s as well for my bigger printer. And there is the 11 by 17. And the link I'll drop at the bottom. But if you're watching this, look, you can go there right now. blanksgalore.com. You guys, look how beautiful this looks together. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Look how beautiful all those were lined up next to each other. This is what makes it even more beautiful to me. While I'm so excited, I am supporting my friends. I'm supporting their businesses. I'm not going to say small businesses because these businesses are big. Your business is big. You're only small when you start. But you know what? You'll be as big as you want to be if you just put in the work. And that's what these folks have done. They all have a story. We all have a story. But I can tell you this from watching each and every single one of these folks is hearing their story from where they started, not having any clue, but just knowing this is what I'm going to do, to where they are today, motivates me even more to continue to do what I'm trying to do. Do I want to have my own papers and things like that? Yes. It's something I've always wanted to do. Now, there are people out there who are going to watch my video and say, well, why'd you put all of them up next to each other? And it's kind of competition. No, I'm not into all that. Each and every single one of these groups and these businesses have their own crowd, right? And some of them are mixed in with each other, but this is the beauty about it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that all three of these are different people that may all run in the same circle. They're all being supported by everybody because that's what you're supposed to do, support them. No reason to be in competition. For what? Who's in competition? Nobody. And again, I am so proud to be able to support my friends. So support yours. It goes a long way. I'm going to leave links here at the bottom somewhere. Follow them on IG if you don't now. Let me know if you got some paper. Let me know what you think about it. Let me see something you've pressed with each and every single one of them. I know Ease just came out, so you may not have anything pressed yet. But let me see some Crafting Besties work. Let me see some Blanks Galore work. There's another Blanks on Blanks. I just saw she dropped the paper too. We're gonna get that next. Colorful Crafting. My homegirl Pascal, she's got some paper. Again, that's the heat transfer paper. We're gonna grab that too. I'm gonna support everybody no matter what you got. I hope you support me too when I decide to drop mine. Now, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment. I'm glad that you watched. On that note, what do? I'm out.